making some money. But it's all relative, isn't it? It's all relative when you put it in the perspective of a $100,000 stock account, $250,000 stock account, 300,000, $500,000, 1 million. Becomes exciting. Notice here's the entry, and of course you wouldn't have had a chance to get in. But notice where we were getting in, 5 1/4. Oh my goodness, isn't that cool? 4 off the top and 1 back. Even 4 off the top is down here. Even the original entry for TOD is down here. But it all depends whether you're focused or not, and that's part of being focused. And the more focused you are, perhaps, the more likely you are to feel comfortable pulling the trigger. So this is definitely taking your trading to the next level. Really, the area where you want to be. See how much control you have? You know exactly what it has to do and what it should be doing. And am I upset because I only took 3 ticks? Oh my goodness, no way at all. Why should I be upset? I'm making 30% return every single time I take a trade if you're going for 3 ticks. That's why Wave Rider works out as well for a 3-tick trade. As you can see here, it's on its way to a full 2-point TOD win. And the important thing, and the real positive feedback I get from all of that, is that if I ever get in trouble, all I have to do is just let it go, and it'll take care of my loss. I don't need any fancy footwork, quick draw McGraws, taking quick profits here and there. I don't need to do all of that. Just sit back, put it on, set my stop and target, and then get the heck out of town. And that, my friends, is real good positive feedback. You know the strategy has built into it the power for recovery. And in the meantime, you can make your 30% return left, right, and center several times a day, or once. Just work on being focused, work on being aware of what's going on. But all the other pieces of ammunition are doing for us. And we can do it all up nicely. See, does it matter now that this goes all the way down and delivers? No, it doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter at all. This is what really matters. It only matters if my last trade was a loss. I have to get in, and this is why I set the parameters and walk away. And it does have the power to deliver. I wouldn't be necessarily expecting things to go all the way. We're still up into the one direction day, and all we're doing now is just coming back down into support. You have to say that the bottom of this line here, or bar, is support. Stopped going down, so something supported it. So So that's all it's really saying. And if there's a report coming out on a particular day, and this is going on, then you know that report can easily change this one direction mode on a dime. So whatever the reports were today at 8:30 weren't all that important. You could say, well, they were tending to the downside, but they didn't do anything. And it's neither gyrating north or south, so it's probably just going sideways. And the next point to take a notice of would be on the open itself, the flurry of orders at the time. See, yesterday was the same thing. Flurry of orders on the open. All it did was give us opportunity to make our target on the way down, get off with a profit. And if you missed the upside, which we didn't really have a TOD signal anyway, that's why I put it in dotted lines, because it'd be the same price as our short line, the short sell over here.